Okay, so what you've learned is that matter can neither be created nor destroyed. And sometimes this is a little bit tricky to understand because sometimes it can feel like maybe something has gone away and it's not there anymore. But really, what's just happened is it's changed its state. And the most easy basic level for us to see this is what we've done when we were talking about our weather unit with evaporation. So I have some water in a pan that is heating up. So what I'm doing is applying energy. So in order for the state of matter to change, you've got to have some sort of energy, either energy added or energy lost. Now, what we're going to see throughout the rest of our experiments is most of the time the energy we're adding is either going to be heat energy, mechanical energy, or chemical energy. So I'm going to let this start heating up for a little bit longer. All right, so as you can see now, that energy is really going. My water molecules are starting to gain energy, which means they're moving faster. So those liquid water molecules are turning into water vapor, which is kind of hard for you to see, but hopefully you can see the boiling that's happening. So as that water vapor is forming, it's leaving the pan. So the water, the amount of water that was in the pan is turning from a liquid into a gas and moving out into the atmosphere of the room. So I'm going to let it keep boiling. So those molecules are really moving now. So I can see all this water vapor that's coming out of the water that's in the pan, and it's leaving and going into the atmosphere. It's not destroyed. It's still little molecules of H2O, but they're transferring from that liquid state of water here into water vapor that's going into the air. So my water's been boiling for about 5 minutes now. And as you can see, the level of water in the pan has reduced significantly. But the whole purpose of this is for you to understand that the water is not disappearing. It's not going away. All those water molecules are still around. They're just now up in the atmosphere rather than down in the pan. So I'm going to let this keep boiling for a little bit longer. So as you can see now, there's hardly any water left in my pan, just a little bit left. That heat energy has been working hard to convert the water molecules that were liquid when we first got started into a gas. And they're going to keep going, 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 still going, until eventually all of the liquid water molecules that were in my pan have converted their state of matter into water vapor, and they're now in the atmosphere in the room around me. There's just a little bit left. So through this experiment, there was no matter that was ever created or destroyed. I started just with water from the sink, and by adding heat energy, I took that liquid water and turned it into water vapor. So all those water molecules are still here. Their state of matter has changed.